Wow! So Disney's making a live-action remake of Mulan. Neat. It seems like they won't stop until they make a live-action remake of everything. Luigi, dude! You gotta come see this! What? I got the gum. You want it? From the store. It's really windy outside. Just look over there. You have no idea how windy it gets. Well, okay, that does seem fair. I've watched the news and it's getting windy out there. I have to throw the money at the cashier. You know how far it is to run? But don't you run like all the time, Sonic? Yes, but I don't run that much. What do you idiots want? Can't you see I'm trying to make an invention? Oh, hey, Sonic. What are you up to? Oh, I got Luigi some gum. Oh boy, can't wait to have a piece. Oh, god dang it, my hat. Put this back. That's just... There! What the... There are pieces missing. Sonic, have you been eating my gum? Okay, I got really hungry and I swallowed it. Sonic, you're not really supposed to do that. Hey, look, man, I got hungry. I'm just bored. What do you guys want to do? Well, we can watch TV. There's nothing good on. Well, we could. I know. Why don't we play with a toy car? Here, look. Here's a toy. You guys go play with it. I'm gonna go work on my invention. Yeet! Wow, cars! It's like the best Pixar movie ever. Woo! Yeah, like this is totally not cool. Sonic, what do you find cool? I honestly don't know. Hey guys! Look what I found! Hey, have you seen the trailer to Mulan yet? Yeah? Haha! You know, it seems like Disney picks the worst time to make their trailers. Haha! Yeah, I guess they do. So, what do you guys want to do now? I know! Look what I found! It's the best character ever! You know, I wonder what Freddy's inventing. Oh well, we'll probably see that someday. Yeah! Eat! What's with everyone doing that? It's like a dead meme. I don't know. Oh well. Whenever that remake comes out, I'll see it. Someday. You know, you're gonna play Luigi's Mansion 3, right? Psh, nah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go play the next Sonic and Mario at the Olympics. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go train. Well, that's all, folks.